Start. Sir, with lower fuel prices and so-called buoyant economy, as you are claiming, we should have been seeing a flood of automobiles being sold. Stop. Actual automobile sale has shrunk, and that itself is something which needs to be seen and understood by the government. Stop. When you talk of creating more jobs, where are we going to create the jobs? Stop. The more enthusiasm you show to do all these things, also you are leaving more and more residuary powers in the hands of small officers who are more prone to abuse than to use it. Stop. That is something, which I think, you need to see in whatever enthusiasm you have about black money here or internationally. Stop. Please do not forget that the implementing authority is also going to be misusing that, to some extent, and that may also leave a bad taste. Stop. We are not against any issues. Stop. Sir, I also compliment the finance minister. Stop. Some good examples are also there about the gold monetization, about the gold bonds, putting in unproductive assets of this country of such a magnitude. Stop. I do not think anybody has a realistic estimate of how much gold is in this country. Stop. Actually, many people have not read the fine print. Stop. It is really going to help your banking system, it will help a lot of foreign investment come in a sector which otherwise would not have realized its potential. Stop. So, I think these are the steps in the right direction, and I would urge upon to look at it. Stop. Sir, finally, in earlier point I missed out on black money. Stop. Sir, we had Foreign Exchange Regulation Act and Foreign Exchange Money Laundering Act only because there was a problem in terms of implementation. Stop. Please, people were being harassed. Stop. Now, I hope that whatever you choose to do, you do not forget that the aspect of harassment is duly taken care of in implementing these acts. Stop. Sir, I have two more points. Stop. One is the concern that I have, which is about the government's resource mobilization plans. Stop. This is currently depending almost completely on direct and indirect tax revenue growth, which, in turn, depends on corporate revival. Stop. Sir, we must create more bedroom for boosting government revenues to enable spending on infrastructure, capital assets, and absorb any external shock. Stop. It is very clear that there is absolutely no increase in the actual devaluation to the state governments. Stop. Sir, thank you for allowing me to speak. Stop. I speak in support of this budget. Stop. As you know, this is the NDA government's first full year budget. Stop. And, it is my opinion that this budget is exactly what the doctor has ordered. Stop. The government has been operating in the backdrop of years of profligacy and mal-governance, which have made things even more challenging. Stop. Over the last few years, the government has significantly reduced its investment and spending capacity. Stop. The years of scams and corruption have caused even the bravest of investors running for the exit doors. Stop. So, comma, my colleagues, comma, were talking at length about the need to spend more. Stop. I think, comma, I must bring it to your attention that the first rule of prudent living is to spend within your means. Stop. The government is spending what it can and it cannot spend more because of the fiscal mess it has inherited. Stop. And comma, glib talk about fiscal deficit financing is all very good. Stop. But it ignores the very fact that it creates serious economic distortions, comma, expensive to fix, comma, and leaves debt behind for the future generations to repay. Stop. So, comma, the deficit financing is fine in an Excel spreadsheet. Stop. But, comma, in the real world, comma, it is moving the liability to future generations. Stop. Era. Over the last 9 months, comma, the economy has, comma, slowly and steadily, comma, been brought back from the precipice that the UPA left it in. Stop. This budget, comma, therefore, comma, is a catalyst, comma, and I believe, comma, a first step to a 10% growth economy. Stop. About this, comma, I have no doubts. Stop. It addresses the twin task of fiscal consolidation and expenditure rationalization of the government. Stop. And, comma, secondly and most importantly, comma, it addresses the main task of reviving and restarting a deep and sustainable investment cycle. Stop. I can speak a lot about these issues. Stop. I can speak about rupees 3 lakh crores in the recent auctions. Stop. But, comma, by talking about 3 specific issues, comma, I want to address head on the propaganda, comma, in some quarters, comma, that this budget does not address the poor. Stop. Let us talk about delivering benefits to the poor. Stop. This budget specifically talks about restructuring. Stop. How benefits are delivered to the poor, comma, using the triumvirate of Janadhan Yojana, comma, Aadhaar and mobile. Stop. This is a very, comma, very important reform, comma, aimed at benefiting only the poor. Stop. It puts money directly in the hands of those that deserve. Stop.